Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. How much years old? 49 years old. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. Take Lakshmi's age to be y years. Here we have to take the Lakshmi's age to be y years. Okay. How we can solve this here? Let Lakshmi's age be y years. So 3 times Lakshmi's age is equal to 3y years. Okay. 4 years more than that means 3y plus 4 years. According to the given condition, Lakshmi's father age is equal to 3y plus 4 years. Since father's age is how much? 49 years. So 3y plus 4 is equal to 49. This is the equation. Okay, understood this? This way you have to make other equation. Okay. Now next point, solving an equation. How we can solve the equation? Okay, I will explain this. Solving an equation means finding out that value of the variable of the equation which will satisfy the equation. Okay, solving an equation means finding out that value of the variable of the equation which will satisfy the equation. Such a value of the variable is called the solution of the equation. Okay, some important properties for solving an equation is there. If we add the same number to the both side, what if we add the same number to the both side of an equality, it still holds. Okay, examples here. Consider the equality. Mean equality 7 plus 1 is equal to 5 plus 3. Okay, here LHS is equal to RHS is equal to 8. Okay, here LHS how much? 7 plus 1 is equal to 8 and 5 plus 3 is equal to also 8. So we can say that LHS is equal to RHS, hence is equal to 8. Okay, adding 2 to the both side. Okay, here we have to add 2 both side. LHS how much here? 7 plus 1. Now you add 2 means what? 10, and RHS 5 plus 3. Now you add 2. So what answer? 10. So LHS is equal to RHS. So the here equality still holds. Now here we can say here equality still hold. Okay. If we subtract the same number from both sides of an equality, it still hold also. Okay, if we are subtract also at the time also equality will still hold. Okay, understood this point? Consider the same equality 7 plus 1 is equal to 5. Sorry, 7 plus 1 is equal to 5 plus 3. Subtracting 2 from the both the side, let's just 7 plus 1 minus 2. So what answer? 8 minus 2 is equal to 6, and RHS what? 5 plus 3 and minus 2 means 5 plus 3 8, 8 minus 2 what? 6. So LHS is equal to RHS. So equality still hold in subtraction also. Okay. In the same way, similarly, if we multiply or divide both sides of the equality by the same non-zero number, it still holds. Okay. Example, consider the same equality 7 plus 1 is equal to 5 plus 3. Now multiplying both the side by 3. Okay, both side multiply by 3. Okay, see LHS what is here? 7 plus 1 and multiply by 3. So 7 plus 1 8 and multiply 3, so 24 will be there. Now here RHS, so how much? 5 plus 3 multiply by 3, so 5 plus 3 8, 8 multiply 3, so what answer? 24. So LHS is equal to RHS. So we can say that the equality still holds in multiplication also. Understood? Now see here exercise 4.2. Okay. Give first the step you will use to separate the variable and solve the equation. Now here we have to solve the equation. Okay. here x minus 1 is equal to 0. How we can solve this? Okay, x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x minus 1 plus 1, 0 plus 1. Here we have to add both side 1. Okay, here we have to add both side 1. Here LHS and RHS. Okay, so verification, putting x is equal to 1 in x minus 1 is equal to 0. Here LHS, x minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, RHS. Okay, so x is equal to 1 is the solution of the equation x minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, understood this? Now C number, x minus 1 is equal to 5. So here also x minus 1 plus 1, here also plus 1. Okay, 5 plus 1. Okay, so x minus plus minus. Okay, 1 minus 1 0, 5 plus 1 6. Okay, so x is equal to what here? 6. When you are putting x is equal to 6, what will be answer? See here, x minus 1 is equal to 5. Here LHS, x minus 1 is equal to 6 minus 1 is equal to 5, RHS. Okay, here x is equal to 6 is the solution of the equation x minus 1 is equal to 5. So what we have to put here? X is equal to 6. Okay, now G number, y plus 4 is equal to 4. So here also, here what is there? Y plus 4 minus 4 is equal to 4 minus 4. Here both side we have to subtract 4. Okay, both side we subtract 4. Okay, when we are putting y is equal to 0, so what will be there? See here, here LHS, y plus 4 is equal to 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. So y is equal to 0 is the solution of the equation. Okay, y plus 4 is equal to 4. Understood this? Okay, next question, give first the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. Now see here, first question, 3t is equal to 42. 3t is equal to 42. Okay, 3t is equal to 42. Now here what is there? Dividing both the side by 3. Here we have to divide both side by 3. Okay, so 3t divided by 3, 42 divided by 3. So 3 cut, 3 is equal to what? 14 3 ja 42. So 3 also got. Here what is remaining? Only 14. Okay, now verify. How we can verify? Putting t is equal to 14, then you can verify. Okay, see here, LHS 3t is equal to, here we have to put 3. Okay, sorry, 14. 3 multiply 14 is equal to 42. So here t is equal to 14 is the solution of the equation 3t is equal to 42. Okay, understood this one? Now B number, b by 2 is equal to 6. Now here we have to multiply by 2. Here we have to multiply by 2 both side. Okay, so b by 2 multiply 2, 6 multiply 2, 6 sorry 2 cut. Okay, so here b remaining only, and 6 to ja 12. Okay, so b is equal to what? 12. Now we verify. Here we have to put the value of b is equal to 12. Okay, so b by 2 is equal to 6, means LHS is equal to b by 2 is equal to 12 by 2 means 6. Okay, so b is equal to 12 is the solution of the equation b by 2 is equal to 6. Understood this one also? Okay, D number, 4x is equal to 25. Okay, now here both side we have to divide by 4. Okay, 4x by 4 is equal to 25. by 4. So 4 cut, x is equal to 25 by 4. Okay, if you want to verify, then you can verify and you will get answer. Okay, other sum you have to do yourself. Clear? Okay, next question. Give the step you will use to separate the variable, then solve the equation. First one, 3n minus 2 is equal to 42. How we can solve this equation? 3n minus 2 is equal to 46. Now step 1, 3n minus 2 plus 2, 46 plus 2. Here adding both side by add both side 2. Okay, so what is there? 3n is equal to minus 2 plus 2 means 0 will be there. Okay, so 3n is equal to 46 plus 2, 48. So step 2, what is there? 3n by 3, 48 by 3. Here divide by 3 both side. Here we have to divide both side by 3. Okay, so n is equal to here what? 3 cut, n is equal to 16 3 ja 48. So 3 cut, so what is remaining? 16. Now B number, 5m plus 7 is equal to 17. Now first step, 5m plus 7 minus 7 is equal to 17 minus 7. Here both side is minus 7. Okay, so 7 plus 7 minus 7 means 0. Okay, and 17 minus 7 means 10. Okay, so 5m is equal to 10. Here both side we divide by 5. Okay, so 5 cut, 5 2 ja 10. So m is equal to 2. Okay, so m is equal to 2 is the solution of the equation 5m plus 7 is equal to 17. Okay, understood this one also? Okay, C1, 20p divided by 3 is equal to 40. First step, 20p by 3 multiply 3 is equal to 40 multiply 3. Here both side multiply by 3. So 20p, 3 cut, 40 3 ja 120. Okay, now here what is the value of p? Step 2, 20p by 20, 120 by 20. Here both side divided by 20. So 20 cut. So p is equal to what? 26 ja 120. So 6 will be there. Okay, p is here. P is 6 is the solution of equation 20p by 3 is equal to 40. Understood this one also? Now question number 4. Solve the following equation. 10p is equal to 100. Okay, here we have to find the value of p. Okay, 10p is equal to 100. 10p by 10 is 100 by 10. So 10 cut, 10 is 100. So here 10 remaining. So what we do here, dividing both the side by 10. Both side we divide by 10. So what is the value of p? P is equal to 10. Okay, understood this one also? Now I will do J number. Okay, only J number, then others you have to do yourself. Okay, 2q is 2q minus 6 is equal to 0. 2q minus 6 plus 6 is equal to 0 plus 6. Here both side add 6. Okay, both side add 6. So minus 6 plus 6 means 0. So 2q is equal to 0 plus 6, 6. Okay, now here both side divide by 2. So 2 cut, 3 2 ja 6. Okay, q is equal to 3. Okay, so q is equal to 3 is the solution of the equation 2q minus 6 is equal to 0. Understood this question?